Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to check the video quality to 720 or higher. Today I will show you how to embed a report designer in a React application. You can open an existing project, but in this video I will create a new React application. Create a new project using the npx create app command. Go to the project folder and install the Stimulsoft Dashboards JS React package. Add a new component, for example, MyDesigner using AreaFCE snippet. Import Designer from the Stimulsoft package. Put the Designer component in MyDesigner component. In the app.js file, put the MyDesigner component. Run the project. The report designer will now be embedded in the React application. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.